How to add money to your PrizePicks account. If you would like to add money to your PrizePicks account, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, you have to make sure to launch your PrizePicks app and then go to the deposit tab. There are many ways to add funds or money to your PrizePicks account. You can use a Visa, Discover, credit or debit cards. You can also do with an instant bank transfer, or you can just go ahead and then deposit from your PayPal account. So if you want to do with your card, once you go to the deposit tab, just enter your card information and complete a deposit. If you're trying to do with a transfer using a bank account, then you can click on instant bank transfer option. It will take you to a new secure window. Select your respective bank, type in your online banking username and password, which will be kept 100% secure and private. And after that, you can select the bank account you'd like to connect and confirm your deposit. You can also go ahead and then just use your PayPal balance in order to make a deposit and add money to your PrizePicks account. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically add money to PrizePicks. I hope the video really helps you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.